bad.
Digging it up, guys. My brother's digging it up. I feel so bad for that bird, but it probably
Oh, it
died
doesn't
from
fit.
hunger. It's okay. There's more dirt here, all over, and yeah.
Miriam, dude.
Oh my
what
gosh,
are you
it doesn't
doing?
fit.
Yeah, I know.
So guys, you're gonna have to read it. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's a duck bird. Bye.
Oh.
So guys, we're gonna dig it again. I think it will fit.
Oh.
Shuffle it, and then we're gonna like. Okay, Avery, flat it with your hands. So my brother's flatting it with his hands. Do you feel bad?
Yeah,
It's okay.
it doesn't fit.
It's okay. Wait. It's because it's fatty.
Right.
I'm just kidding.
He died. Stupid.
Okay. Okay, let's just put this as a decoration. So aesthetic.
No.
His grave needs to be aesthetic, bro. Okay, it's good.
No.
What the heck? That's not aesthetic. We're not doing the aesthetic way.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you. Little do you know, I got some aesthetic stuff to do with him. Just put this
What?
rock. You know, decorate his grave.
You have to decorate it with this.
Dude, are you kidding me with that stick? You break your fingers instead of
Okay,
doing
there,
that.
look. So now, this one. No, I'm just a different culture than that.
You know what? Just say bye-bye. Let's go. We'll do aesthetic weight later. Peace!